3 o'clock in the morning, the things that you were telling me occurred. First, knocking at the door. There was knocking at the door. Then, oh no, before the knocking at the door, the the faucet inside the bathroom suddenly uh, opened. It was, I can hear the water. This is already, this is it. And then the knocking at the door, constant knocking, and then scratches. I can hear fingernails scratching the wall behind the television set. And then there were movements as if walking on the ceiling. So I prayed first. I prayed and I said, my guardian angel, please expel the spirits so that I can sleep. I still have an event tomorrow. Well, as I was joking myself, the things continued, the manifestation continued, and perhaps the guardian angel was telling me, "You are the priest. You should be able to to respond to this."